Guys, what's up? Minecraft Night 78 here again with another video inside. Alright, so today what we are going to be doing, we're going to be doing something a little bit different because today we're going to get started building minigames. Woohoo! And there's actually a video I recorded off of this one. Anyways, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be building a mini game, and it is called Furnace. By the title there. But what Furnace Dash is, and I've already started building a little bit of it. What Furnace Dash is, and I've already started building a little bit of it. Is it's like Duck Hunt. You wanna go on a minecart? I'll send you. Go. Yeah, I've only made one. Anyways, so what the game is like it's like Duck Hunt, but it's my variation. And what this is, instead of having people get shot, you're going to be shooting at a minecart, and no, not the one with you in it. You're going to be shooting at a minecart with a friend. And what you have to do is you're gonna have one ore of some type of whatever I've got in my inventory. Yes. Oh yeah. By the way, here's what. One ore of anything, of whatever I've got in my inventory. And then you're just try and shoot that. And what the idea is that when you shoot a minecart with a chest in it, a minecart with a furnace in it. The item that's in the minecart is going to fall out of the chest. So there's one person who's trying to protect this thing. And he is the protector. But his job is to try to keep the minecart from getting shot off. But even if it does get shot off, there's a maze that you have to go through. So yeah, it's not that easy to get. But it's actually it's not too tricky. But I know it's a very vague. It's a very vague explanation. Once you see it built, you'll understand. So what we're building here, which I have not explained yet, is this thing inside one big furnace. We're building, right? See how this. So we have some smooth stone smelting slabs, as you can see. And so this is so far what I've got done. This is gonna be the lower level of it, and I know it's glitched. These I think, but you know what? It's okay. So this is like the bottom part down here, as you can see how it's got like that this color underneath it. One layer of cobblestone right there, and then this. So it's gonna be a crude pixel art, but you know, pixel art nonetheless. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Back up here. So what this is going to be? It's going to be a very wood and stony. Like the floor is going to be made out of wood. The maze is going to be made out of smooth. And the track where the minecart is going to run, where you have to shoot it from, is going to be made out of cobbler wobbly. Good. perfect. I actually love the rainbow. It's very soothing. But, you know, some people, to each their own. What I'm going to do real quick, scaffolding. Just so that way scaffolding. By the way, something I forgot to show you guys is that I got some diamonds at 6 diamonds. So I already have made a jukebox, and I got 2 albums, completely legit. From because shooting skeletons, and I'm gonna do that if you guys are interested. And so what we're gonna do is music going. Music going. Furnace. Okay. And we shall place you favorite album. There we go. This. What I might do, just so you can hear it better, maybe? No, that wouldn't help. I guess it's loud. I wish, sorry, though. How tall I'm doing this is one more layer after this one, just so that way it's like you know, enough, because it's like a third of how big of how much the furnace. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I got a new doggy. Surprisingly, like he was just roaming around. This is that wolf that was pushing me off the minecart trail, and I said, you know what? You're bothering me too much. Kind of. Either way, anyway, and he's not really. But yeah. Got to leave that, man. I'll just put it. So I might have to go back to that for mine. But yeah. Just tell me I'm gonna fast. It's almost becoming dark, and I know it's hard to tell the time with the rain, but since anyway. But as you can see, if you can see there along the horizon, it's starting to become orange. So we just might go home, grab some cobble. And this is what it's gonna look like all the way around. And that, then there's gonna be a couple layers, like 4 or 5 up off the front, and not make it look like it's on fire. I wish we could, but I don't have it. But we're just going without that. Yeah, we'll be. Well, actually, yeah, whatever. Correct me if I'm wrong. Well, actually, no. I'm gonna say can't mob. So yeah, this is more progress than I had done the last video. But I had to start a new video for this. I would have done it with like I had done already. But you see, the problem was that it kept shutting off, and yep, I was right. From fighting so many skeletons, I got new bows. another game that after that one. I can't tell you what that is because it is really fun. It's authentic. I've never seen him do it before. So the next game, this one, yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome. Aww. He killed the zombie. He killed himself, so that's helpful. He killed my new doggy. Aww. Might have to build a. Alright, before we get blown up again, let's go home. Up, get away from the mine wheel. Guard, on guard. Alright, let's go home. Go home real quick before we get eaten alive. Whatever. And, like I said, I've got a big list of mini games. I have it on a list in my house, so, and I might write those down in a bit. But yeah, so let's take a nap here. Like I said, we might need to go get some more cobble, but we'll see. Dog poking his head out. Alright. Sorry, I didn't mean squishy. Alright, you know what? You've been sitting in my all day. I haven't even given him a name yet. Oh, yeah. I also forgot. Probably gonna change it. Music that was. Probably shouldn't have used cobble for these paths here. Oh well, it's alright. I'll slap my dog there. Alright, there we go. Let's change out the music. Out. Whoop. I like both of these albums, so I'm glad that I got these ones randomly. I'm glad about that. Okay, right now, and we're gonna see if 48 is enough to finish off here. And that'll just leave. But I want to try and plan this out logically, because I don't want to just. But what I might do, instead of doing that, just start working on the. Probably not gonna do that right off the bat because I kind of pixel art, because getting a cobblestone, it's not always such a burden. I mean, so like what I might do. There's stacks of cobblestone, and that should do us. But like the look slabs, so I like in other things, like when I make chairs and stuff, I room eventually. But here we go. Made that dock a little special. Okay. coal too. Oh, looks like a trip to a local strip mine. The strip mine is going to be necessary. Go. This will be a fun video. Oh wait. Well, actually, I do know. But it's okay. Let's get started on a patch here. Planning on going down only so far, because I do need quite a bit of cobblestone, but I don't. Down to our cave. A few torches. And if you're wondering why I do this, caves, and I know if I said this over and over again, I'm going to add a little bit on comment last time. Not only does this give you caves and ravines and plenty of cobblestone, sometimes you can find stuff much easier because, like, I don't know if I said last strip mine I had that I did in a previous world. Pretty much like I dug down far enough, and I got diamonds right at the bottom. So that's what I've been doing. And while we're here, grab some. Ah! Oh! Hey, watch it. I don't need you to die too. Well, one dog was enough. You good? Sometimes the noises in the caves sound like really scary, like the screaming noises if you heard them. But there's other ones like oh, there we go. Back. You gonna get out there? All right. So, let's dig down a little bit. Alright, let's dig down a little bit farther just to get some more cobble. Yeah, we'll dig down. And I never realized actually how easy it is to get to bedrock. Cause staircase mine. Ah, gold. How about that? I came here for cobblestone and coal. I got down on my chicken. And as Paul Swords Jr. also states, this is obviously a awesome and good XP too from the coal. video has actually been taken. So I expected it to. And, not really getting surprised because I thought I had enough. But you know what? That happens. Well. Uh-oh. You okay? I'm okay. Let's get back up here real quick. Get back over to the minigame land real quick. On. And in the future, if I don't like the way that the track looks like and stuff, then I might just change. Like I don't know if that's really appealing, looking outside of a window and seeing. But you know what? It doesn't matter. That's what it was. Minecraft. That. What? It's already dark. It's already almost dark. The house. Okay. Well, 3 stacks of cobble is almost 3 stacks. And I think we might just work because roof on this place. Patch up all the inside. Need one more row. More in there. Half of that. And like I said, this is going to be a crude pixel art. It's not going to look the best, but we don't need it to look great. Identifiable, I guess. Alright. I really like the idea. There and okay. Real quick. Okay. Where's my dog anyway? Maybe he's underneath that. I'll go up. I think he died in the mine. Let's get back over there quick as we can. Hey! No mob glide. Yeah, you see, now you can see why I probably need a gate or like the track. Alright, here we are. Never tested. Be enough. so I actually considering that the thought of having done that other episode, but I thought so you see it outside, like I have covered up the ocean, dirt, temporarily, adding a cover up here that definitely probably yeah. So am I calling it a fun land or a theme park? Alright, well, we've only got that row right there, and then we're done. Might not need, but let's see, 12. Pull these out. Well, okay. Oh, reckon it'll be enough? I probably should have counted to get a more accurate guess. Okay, fine. Be like that. Three more? Look faster. I'm warning ya. Come on, come on. Bingo, yay. Up. Alright, yay. I didn't actually notice. Alright, there we go. And I might use these for like. That's what the bottom of the furnace is gonna look like. So yeah, build more. Oh, and I don't want that to happen because very boring, and that is why I try to keep them short, and that is why I always fail because I always have what I want to do. But just so that way you can just so you can get an idea of what it's gonna be like. I'm just. If I had cooked the slabs before, maybe this would have gone a little. Alright. Currently today is Tuesday, but this is probably going to be uploaded on Wednesday, and I'm probably going to Wednesday Warfare, and it's going to probably come out on Thursday, like last one did. But I'm glad to have like 100. This is good for me. I thought I would get no more than 5 subscribers in my entire career, I've already broken that limit. I've already got subscribers. Whoa! Well, actually, I do. And that's a landmark. Because I could probably never get. I never thought I'd get 60. But when I get something like 100 subscribers, maybe, if I ever get world or doing, I don't know. Probably I'll do like an entire hour video. And if I didn't cut myself off, these things would be an hour every single. But either way, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this mini game. Cause I know I'm gonna have fun. And I'm gonna pretty soon here. Pretty soon here. Pretty soon here, I'm going to be having my friends come into. Oh. Aw, a coward. Oh, game I had seen it. You know, business. Alright, well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, this is a huge landmark that I've got more than what I was expecting to get. Not by So, thank you guys for watching. Tomorrow's episode, we're going to be building some more of this stuff. Like I said, pretty soon I'm going to be having some more friends come into the video. And I'm building a village over near, like, where the Oakwood forest or meadow type of area is. And, building in there. Yeah, I got two. Anyways, good fun having them come in. Like Diablo, Spartan, and probably especially. We're gonna work on this, and then we're gonna have a fun time playing it. This is gonna be an awesome minigame once it's done. Thank you guys for watching, finally. And I will see you guys later. Bye.